Hello and welcome to the Tableau Interview Question series where I'm asking you or I'm showing you the most frequent questions that are usually asked in any Tableau developer interview or Tableau data analyst interview to understand how well you know the Tableau and how well you can build the visualization to show that information. And this is the question number 14 where I'm asking you, highest sales of the city is above average of all high sales or not? So slightly confusing question if it is coming in an interview, but what does it mean is, well, in each city you have the highest sales, right? Which is basically shown over here, only the highest sale, not all sales, only the highest sales are shown. And this is the average line, which is basically telling you, and this average is based on taking into consideration all of these sales and finding the average. Then we are plotting it over here and showing each of this city highest sales is above this average or not. And then over here if you see down below, you will see that with the color coding we are showing you the cities which are below to the sales, right? So this is something which is an interesting technique in terms of color coding the values, and but also with the help of the chart 1064 is the average, where one can clearly see whether they are above average or not, and if they are above average, how much above average or below average, or they are closer to the average, right? So this is the question, which is, if let's say coming in a case study or in an interview, then how will you solve it? What will be your answer to show it step by step, right? Well, if you are sure or if you can crack this, then write down in the comments as what will be your first step, what will be your second step, and how will you produce it. If not, and if you want to look at the solution from this workbook, then this is the question number 14 and the calculation over here is 14.1. So all my calculations are related to this question that I am asking, so that it is easy to find. And the link to download this workbook is given in the description. So based on that link, where you will going to land is in this datasets folder. When you come into this dataset folder, look for the sheet, datasets sheet, which gives you the link for this Tableau interview question workbook, and you can go ahead and download it. With that, I hope you will enjoy this series. You will you get familiar with all the different types of questions, the trick questions, easy one, difficult one will be you will be seeing it how you can solve it and get yourself familiarized with that. Thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe it so that all of these questions are coming directly in your inbox. With that, I'll meet you in the next video.